did. So I just went out and troubleshot it, and first thing I thought of, I could hear it opening the valve. I could hear the valve opening, the gas valve, every time we would try to light. But I didn't hear a spark. But with my hearing, you never know what you're going to not hear. So I went ahead and pulled the igniter out and put a jumper on it so it had a good ground, and then made it try to light, and it wasn't sparking at all. I didn't grab it to get shocked, but it's not sparking. So then I just went ahead and turned everything off, and it's on video. You'll see it in a minute. And I found it was the control board had a hot spot on it. So now I'm going to try to order the control board. This only has one control board. It must control everything, all the safeties and everything. And water heater wouldn't work the other day. My wife left the gas off, but she turned this light, and I'm thinking that might have had something to do with it. I'm gonna put the pump on just for fun, the water. See that little red light? Nothing. Hear it? You can hear the valve opening, but it's not getting any fire. I take this cover off that I made, and you can see the side of it. But, well, here's kind of what you're going to find. When they made this thing, it was just laying here on the floor, and I stuck it up on top of the water heater. So, that big orange wire, that's the one that actually goes out and goes to the igniter. So I'm just going to check it out and see if there's anything broken. If I can pop that cover off without destroying it. I'd like to get the part number out of it. So maybe I could go directly to whoever made this thing, the actual box itself, not the whole water heater. We'll see. So hang on. Okay, I found a telltale sign. I'm going to pick this box up and bring it out here where you can see it. You'll see, maybe you can see it from here. Nah. Won't be able to talk to you, so I'm just going to show you the, this is what I'm going to show you. Just look for the black spot. Base my theory on the only thing I see that's really overheated, and that's this right here. I'm not even going to attempt to fix this board, but I am going to attempt to write down the numbers if I can find them. If it has a number. I was able to get off of it. It says it's made by Suburban Manufacturing Company, Dayton, Tennessee. Model SW60, serial number 165108787. Orifice size 61 DMS. I don't know what that means. Tank capacity 6 gallon. So when I get back to my home where I have internet service, I will try to contact this company and see if I can figure out what the hell. So that's what I'm gonna do. If I can ever get the number, I can't really find a number on the board. It's made by a Chinese company. So maybe I got some data on this and all that stuff they gave us when we bought the thing. But this is the water heater I'm working on right here. And probably when I get online I can look at a drawing and get the number. I'm hoping. All right, but this is the information I needed right here. All right, talk to you later. Well, I made it back home, and now I'm going to see about getting this card ordered. I'm going to order it. I've looked it up, and I've found the number, the original number. I found somebody that would sell me the original card, but also found somebody that would sell me an upgraded card called Dinosaur, and it looks like it would solve some of my problems. I'm going to go ahead and order this thing from this Dinosaur company, and try it. I think it'll solve the problem. The root problem was that it kept firing when I had no gas, but the gas was turned off. The same thing would happen if you ran out of gas. So here it is. That's what I'm ordering. That red glow is the igniter. It's hot, red hot. So as you can see, you can actually see the igniter. You don't need to take it out. So this is the controls. This is the pump. This is the water heater. I'm going to turn the water heater off. What you can't see in this picture right now, there's a little LED right in the middle here. Now when this thing was cold, in other words, when I first started it, when I turned it on, a little LED came on. And that seemed to be when it's waiting to fire. Let's see what happens when it's hot. I don't know. Let's just say it's pausing. I'll tell you when it fires. Did you hear it? It fired. And as long as it's running, it's out. Let's go make sure. Okay, I can hear it even with my bad ears. As you can see, how can you? It's firing, see it? You have to lower your head a little bit. Feel the heat coming out of it. And cards was before my wife came in here, she made sure we had water by hitting this fresh. She had made sure she had water, but she didn't turn on the gas. So when she turned this on, she turned both of these on, I guess. But she didn't turn on the gas out on the tongue. So this light kept coming on and off, on and off, on and off, on and off, trying to fire, stop, trying to fire. The old card, the one I replaced, wouldn't stop doing it. It just kept doing it till the card burned up. This one does it twice and then stops. If it doesn't fire after twice, it wants you to turn itself off. Okay? That's that. So, if you do the same thing we did, try to light it without gas, and you have the original card, it's probably just going to burn the card up.